Hey everyone, how is it going? Is your Windows 11 showing the wrong date or time? Maybe the clock is behind, ahead, or keeps changing after every restart. Don't worry, today I'll show you a few simple fixes to get your date and time back on track. So let's get started. So first, open your settings, then come over into time and language option, then click on date and time, and then come over into your set time zone automatically. Make sure you turn it on properly and then set time, check it in and set time automatically. Also make sure you turn this on. Very simple, right? Also click on sync now. Here it is, sync now. This will force Windows to synchronize with an internet time server. If the time is still wrong, let's move to the second fix. Let's restart the Windows time services. For that, you have to press in your keyboard Windows plus R. It will going to open run. Then type services.msc and click enter. Press enter and then find Windows time. Type here W and type here Windows time, and here it is, Windows time. Just simply right click on it and restart it. Very simple. And then close the window and check your clock again. Let's try one more fix. Open command prompt and run as administrator, and here simply type w32tm /resync and press enter. This command forces Windows to synchronize its clock immediately. And here's one final fix. If the date and time become incorrect every time you turn on your PC, the CMOS battery on your motherboard may be weak or dead. This is more common on older desktop and laptops. Replacing the CMOS battery usually fixes the problem permanently. And that's it. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve incorrect date and time issues on Windows 11. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment which fix worked for you. If the problem still exists, tell me exactly what's happening and I will try to help. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.